Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss how to update Linux apps on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To update your Linux application, simply click on App Launcher icon and open the terminal application. And here click on Penguin option and it will open the terminal interface. However, if you're not able to use terminal interface, then you have not enabled Linux developer environment on your Chromebook. So we already have a video on it, so I'll provide the video link in the right button or you will get the video link in the description box. Now let's discuss how we can update our Linux applications. Here you need to run two simple commands, that is sudo apt update. Then hit enter key and wait for the update process to complete. This will update all the Linux repository. Here you can see, here we have 4 packages that can be upgraded. So to upgrade it, simply run sudo apt upgrade, then hit enter key. If you get do you want to continue, here simply press Y, then press the enter key and wait for the upgrade process to complete. You can also type sudo apt update space && sudo apt upgrade space -y. This will also do the same thing. This will update the repository and upgrade your Linux applications. So that's it. This is how you can update Linux applications on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.